Well, hello there. Yes, you read it right. Our future is in danger. It doesn't matter you are a designer, you are a developer, you are a content writer, your future is in danger because AI is growing really fast. Well, I was thinking within 10 years or 15 years, AI will destroy every profession. What I was wrong. Because of the fast-paced AI, I think it might destroy every profession's future within 5 years if we are not going to improve it. There is only one thing: improve it or leave it. If you are a designer, then you should improve the designing or leave it. If you are a developer, improve your coding skills or leave it. Chat GTP or other kind of things are really growing, and everyone opt to such kind of things which are related to AI. Even Google is implemented AI in their systems, maybe it is going to launch out red code. So everyone is indulged in AI today's world. So like for content writing, Chat GPT is there. Suppose you want to write something, then you simply ask the Chat GPT what you want to expect. Chat GPT, you can write it there and Chat GPT will provide you answer. It's like suppose you want a simple essay, or suppose you want a blog for your website, then you can write a Chat GPT. Suppose you want a blog about the mobile phones, you can write simply Samsung S5 mobile phone, and it will write a complete content for you. You write your question, Chat GPT will like, no worries sir, I'll do it for you, and it will solve your problems. Well, think about the original scenario, think about the current scenario of the businesses. Why businesses are hiring you? Because you are problem solver. They are not hiring you because you are designer, they are not hiring you because you are content writer or a developer. It doesn't matter what you are solving the problems of business, so that's why they are hiring you. If AI is solving every problem, then why anyone hire you? Why anyone pay you hefty amount when they have a cheap and a fast reliable solution for their businesses? So we have to think about that. If you want to stay in your business, then you have to improve yourself on daily basis, because for content writing, Chat GPT, and for programming, if you want something in coding, then you can simply write in Chat GPT, it will provide the answer to you. And if you want any kind of solution, then you can simply write on Chat GPT. I type a question in Chat GPT, and the question was, is AI really going to destroy the future of graphic designers? Well, it said, well, it is not going to destroy the future of graphic designers because it's about the creativity, but it's true that it might have, well, it definitely have serious impacts on the designers, on a developer, or on a content writer life, because it's the AI opinion. Then I write the new command to the Chat GPT, that is suggest me some fiction books names, and then it suggests me many names. Even it write a complete story, it write a complete book for me. The book name is The City of Mirrors. It was really amazing. Chat GPT writing by itself. I was just giving the commands, I was just giving the titles. It created a whole story by itself. So this is, you can check the accuracy of Chat GPT. You need something in coding. Suppose you wanna create your own WordPress plugin, suppose you wanna on Python code, then you can simply write the question and it will create it for you. And for graphic designers, MidJourney is here, DALL-E is here, Diffusion AI is here. So every major companies are going to invest on AI. So that's why you have to improve yourself too. Well, again, I'm saying that improve it or leave it. Because if you are not going to improve yourself, then in a few years you are going to realize you are an unworthy person for everyone. Because you didn't improve your skills. It is a need and hour to improve the skills in today's world. So invest in AI, learn about the AI, how it works, how Chat GPT works, how MidJourney and Diffusion, DALL-E, even Tom is here to create the presentations. So there are number of AI softwares which you have to learn, which you should learn, and work on yourself, improve yourself. So this is my point of view. What you think, is future really is in danger because of AI? So I would love to know your opinion too. If you have any kind of opinion, please let me know what do you think about the AI. See you next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's